In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Gemini in Gmail, an easy trick for searching your inbox. If you're someone who deals with a flood of emails and needs a smarter way to organize and find your messages, then stick around, because this functionality might just be the game changer you need. First things first, open your preferred web browser and head over to Google's homepage. Once you're there, head over to the search bar and type in Gmail. This will bring up a list of search results. You'll see Gmail right there at the top, and that's the link you want to click on. It should be one of the first options you see, so go ahead and click that, which will take you directly to the Gmail login page. Once you've landed at the Gmail site, make sure you're logged into the account you wish to use Gemini with. Otherwise, just log in with your credentials. After you're in your inbox, navigate to the upper left side of your screen. There, you should see the Gemini icon. Click on it. This is where the magic happens. Gemini allows you to conduct more refined and efficient searches that help you pinpoint exactly what you're looking for amidst a mountain of emails. Now, let's try an example to see just how intuitive this tool can be. Think of a prompt you would like Gemini to search for. Phrases like, "Show me the email from Figma for the last 5 months," work perfectly. You'll want to articulate clearly what you're searching for, using as much detail as needed to help sift through the emails. Now that you've composed your prompt, go ahead and press enter. Within moments, you'll see Gemini working its magic, sorting through your emails based on the parameters you gave it. This type of searching is not only faster, but it also minimizes errors in finding specific emails. You'll notice how quickly you can retrieve emails based on all sorts of criteria, making it a breeze to find exactly what you're looking for. So, there you have it, a super straightforward way to harness the power of Gemini in Gmail to streamline your email searches. No more sifting through hundreds of emails to find that one from months ago. With Gemini, you're equipped to tackle your inbox more efficiently and spend your time focusing on what truly matters. Give it a try and watch how it transforms your email experience. Thanks for watching, and happy searching.